Yes, that's good,
There you
mate.
go, boys. There you go. Easy. It's the little things, isn't it? The little things in life, mate.
This way.
All right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. The sell position. Actually, let's do the buy first. Let's do the buy. We've got this flat candle, which I do like. I like the flat candles, but we've got a pretty nice zone above it as well. So I am going to potentially look at going off this zone, probably from this week here, because we may come and respect that week there. If the market moves up, breaks that level, we could potentially respect that and get a reversal. So I'm going to put our buy position above that level to hopefully avoid any of that happening. This is a nice zone too here. This level here is a really, really nice zone as well. So we'll just go slightly, we'll go slightly above that. And it is going to be a tough one on the buy because then we've got the level above it as well. So there are a few nice clean zones there. So it is going to be a little bit tough. I mean, if we come down, we may potentially be able to catch the move if we come down. Nah, because we've got this level here. So I'm going to go above that. Oh, if we go to the flat, how about if we go to the flat? Sorry, man, I'm just thinking out aloud here.
Yeah, no, go ahead, it's good.
Maybe we do go aggressive because this is a nice level. We may break through all this noise here. So we've got all this noise here. We may break through that and not get a reaction because this is a nice level. This level right here is nice. So that may be where our reaction point comes. So you know what? I'm gonna go aggressive. I'm gonna go a little bit aggressive on that. Could backfire, but you just don't know until you try, do you?
Exactly.
All right, cool. Let's lock the buy in. I'm locking the buy in right there. Yep. And I'm probably just going to go for a nice TP1 today to end the week. Hopefully we can, just because how the markets have been lately on Fridays, I'm not going to try and risk holding it too long. Hopefully we can finish the week with just a nice little TP1. So that's what I'm going to aim for. It's nice, cruisy, nothing too crazy. Boom, shakalaka. And the sell. I really want to go up that level there, but it all depends what this candle does. It looks like it wants to break it, so we may look at this zone here. Unless it breaks that, and then we'll go to the one below it. You know what? Maybe I'll just go to the one below it. Yeah, I'll go up there. We're going to go up there. But that wick there, I'm going to look at that there, something like this. I'll wait another 30 seconds or so before we're going to have to do this one just at the last minute, the sell. To see what this candle does on the last.
What's your stop loss on the
stop loss on the buy is 3634.17.
Yep.
Oh, I'm going to lock that sell in there. We do have this wick here that we've got to be cautious of. This one here, where we may get a slight reaction. So I might go just a little bit lower, just to allow for us getting a reaction off that wick there. Just a little bit below it like that, something like that. Cool. I'm going to lock that in. Let's lock it in. A little bit different to how we usually set up. We usually go 50-50 on the stop loss, but because we do have that wick going, if we get a reaction off that, I'd hate to get a fake out. So just to be a little bit on the safe side. All right, 363812. And the stop loss on the sell, I'm going to be setting it at just above this level here. Probably go to about that level there. So the stop loss is going to be a little bit bigger. So at 3631.46. And we're on, mate. We are on like Donkey Kong. Let's go. 3629. 36,
So what it's going to do today, Metz. Imagine if we get a move on a Friday. It's been a little while.
It'd be nice. It would be nice. It's going off how Fridays have been. It's the probability is pretty low.
Yeah.
But we'll see how we go. See how we go. See how we go. See how we go. Nice, because if we do get a push to the downside, and we break through these levels, if we can break through that wick there, enter our trade, we should be able to at least reach. This is our next level of point of reaction. Is down here. We've got an imbalance here, which I'm not too concerned about. But I mean, we do get reactions off imbalances. But oh shit, what do I do? But again, man, we can't allow for every single imbalance and every single move. You know what I mean? That's why we rely on volume. We rely on volume to be able to come in and break through those levels. So if we can break through this level here, we should, in theory, be able to at least reach down to a TP2. See how we go.
Let's do it.
See how we go. Yeah, just so for anyone who wasn't on the chat before, so we go live at 9:50 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So what we're going to do is the first 5 minutes, because I don't actually start setting the charts up to 9:55. So for the first 5 minutes is free for all. Anyone who wants to talk, ask questions, jump on the call, speak, send any messages. You got that 5 minute time frame from 9:50 to 9:55. And if we find it's not long enough, then we'll start jumping on the calls a little bit earlier. But from 9:55 a.m. onwards, I have to keep everyone muted because it's time we're just going to focus on the trades. All right, so yeah, as of next week, that's how we'll be doing that. Like I said, if it does start getting where a few people want to ask some questions, and we can potentially start looking at jumping on the trades at 9:40 a.m. or 9:45 or something like that. But if there is anything you're not sure of or you want to ask, put it in the chat. You know, there's people in the group that can help you as well. There's guys that have been in the group from the beginning for the last 6 months or so. So if I can't help you, or Hustle or Sam, there'll be other people in the group. So just put your questions and stuff in the group. That's no problem. Anything you want me to know, send me a DM and I'll try and get back to you when I can. It does get a little bit busy for me though. So getting back to DMs can take some time. But that's it, guys. That is it.
Is it.
Oh, Trekkie, just seen your comments. Sorry, mate. Yeah, we just gotta try, and it just gets a little bit difficult when I'm trying to focus on the trading. I try and keep it to just me and Sam while we're actually doing the trades, and Hustle as well. So it just gets a little bit much when there's a few people all trying to talk at once and we're trying to focus and concentrate. So sorry about that, man. But yeah, I've just had to mute it. But like I said, bro, if you next week, bro, if you want to jump on a little bit earlier, more than happy to jump on earlier, man, and talk and discuss things and go over the trades and stuff like that. That's no problem at all. Every now and then, if it is looking a bit quiet and we're consolidating and we're just sitting here being bored, then I can unmute people and we can start talking. That's no problem. Just try and keep it clean, mate. You know.
Keep it clean, yeah, exactly right. Trading's hard enough, man.
Yeah, that's it. And it just can get. Look, I've been in groups before when it can get a little bit hectic, especially because we live stream as well. So it's not just the Discord that we've got to think about. We've got to think about everyone who's listening as well. So yeah, man, it can just get a little bit messy sometimes if people just start jumping in and out and calls, and the conversations start going all over the place.
Yeah.
But that's all cool. That's all cool. Yeah. So again, man, I'll stay on for half an hour today. I'll stay on to 10:30. If we don't get a move by 10:30, just close both positions off and call it a day. Hopefully we can get something.
Yeah, fuck that, mate.
Yeah. Let me just check this stuff. Hustle, are you online?
Yeah, man.
Sweet mate. What do you want to do with we're going to be changing the VIP access and stuff. Should we go over that now, or should we'll just work it out over the weekend and then let everyone know during the week?
Well, if you've got a quick idea, we'll talk about it now. Otherwise, we can get it really locked in over the weekend.
Yeah,
I
maybe
think we've
maybe
got
we'll
a
do
good
that.
idea what
Maybe we can do that. Maybe we'll just lock it in properly. So we'll work out
yeah,
so it doesn't affect anyone. We want everyone who's on the
yeah,
course to be able to jump on these trades all the time. So we'll work it out properly over the
yeah,
weekend. So it just doesn't affect anyone who's currently in the group.
yeah, yeah, sweet.
Maybe. Yeah, all right. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that.
We'll put something up on Sunday, people read, and then we'll bring it up Monday. We can chat.
Sweet
That's good.
as. Yeah. I just seen your comment, Tricky. Yeah, that's all good, bro. That's all good. If you want to trade gold, don't trade gold, man. Do whatever you want. If you want to go for Euro USD, in this group though, bro, we only trade gold. That's all we trade. So we are gold traders. Every morning we go live for the Tokyo Open. So we only trade the one pair at the same time every single day. That's what we do. So we're like robots, bro. We're just on repeat. All we do is gold at the Tokyo Open. That's it. On the London sessions, all we trade is the UK 100, and that's it, bro. We only stick to one pair, one session, same time every day, man. Same setup. That's how we trade. But yeah, check it out, brother, for sure. I'll be keen to see how it goes, man, on the Euro USD. I'll be really keen to see how you go on that. It's good, bro. It's good. It's good to have other options of trading as well. But yeah, that's just what we do in this group, man. Oh yeah, and I seen your picture of that trade you got open, dude. That's a nice move you got from that gold trade from a couple of weeks ago. So congratulations on that, bro. Good stuff. Also, Caden and Theo. What I might have to do, boys, I might have to. Can you, if you guys have got Pay ID, can you send me a DM today with your phone number so I can Pay ID you? Because I'm going to get your live account set up for next week. I want you guys trading as of next week on those accounts. If you don't have Pay ID, Caden, maybe see if Waz has got it. If not, just send me your bank details, boys, and I'll transfer cash to you over the weekend. Get you guys up and running.
Fuck yeah, boys.
Let's go. Yeah. What else is happening, Sam? Anything else, mate?
Um,
Anything?
Not a lot, man. Oh, fuck. Yesterday in my Bitcoin trade, I was in the trade for fucking. I was watching it for well, not watching, but monitoring it for about 12 and a half hours. Had like alerts and shit. And then it got to a point where I was like, oh, I'm not very confident with what is going to happen. Is just before the US Open, I was like, these guys are manipulation central, so I moved my stop loss to break even. And literally the second I let go and hit execute, there's massive manipulation. We dumped. Would have taken me out for a
Oh,
full loss, and then I went straight back up to my entry, and I was like, "Thank fuck for that."
fuck. Lucky, bro. Lucky you read that good, man.
Yeah, really lucky, man. And then I jumped on this morning, and I was having a look at the setups, and I was like, "Oh, actually, this setup really looks like it lines up with my levels and shit, but it doesn't line up with my time." Usually, I only put my trade in at the session break, which is 10 a.m. I was
Yep.
like, "No, it doesn't line up." But in hindsight, had I done it, it would have hit a full take profit. But you know what it's like, mate. Stick to the system.
Stick to the system, bro. Stick to the system. Stick to the rules. Be consistent. Be a robot. Same shit every day, all day, every day, and that's how you become a profitable trader. That's how you do it. That's how you achieve freedom, and that's how you get to a point where instead of just making, yeah, you might make 5 grand, 10 grand here or there, or you can, but you're going to take a lot of losses, or you can just be consistent, man, and make enough money to fucking never have to work again. I know what I'd prefer.
And that's the fucking dream, bro. That's the
I know what
fucking
I'd
dream.
prefer. Yep. It's not hard, bro. It's not hard to do it. It's not hard to get there. It's just consistency and managing your money and managing your risk to reward and just doing the same shit every single day. Like a lot of professional traders will tell you that, and it's actually true that when you actually become a profitable trader, trading's boring, bro. There's nothing exciting about it. It's fucking boring.
No.
Because you're just literally doing the same thing every single day. That's why when you guys, when everyone gets to a point where they don't actually have to jump on these calls anymore, because you're confident that you can do this system and do this system every single day, you can literally jump on at 9:55 a.m. or wherever you are in the world, jump on 5 minutes before the Tokyo Open, put a buy stop order in, a sell stop order in, take you maybe 2 minutes, close your computer and get on with your day.
Yeah, exactly
Literally, that's it. That's all you have to do.
Exactly right.
That's all you have to do, man. Nice and easy, nice and simple. I've just opened gold on another chart. Do you want to look at Bitcoin?
Yeah.
USD, USDT, USD.
USDT, yeah. I use the Bybit chart because that's who I trade with. So.
Hustle's in a meeting, mate, or something. Hustle. He's like, he must be like, he's probably like in like 10 different groups right now. Watching our trades, watching theirs. Fucking motherfucker. 8 o'clock, bro. There you go. There's that 8 o'clock push.
Yeah, that's exact. So that level that it broke through, which is 114501. Actually, no, that's a fucking lie. It was 114434.9 is what my entry was, or would have been, I should say, because that aligns with my my system, and stop loss was going to be at about $250 below that, maybe just below 168, and take profit up at like literally just below where it is now. But all good, man. All good. Maybe
All
if you
good,
come
bro.
down and retest.
That's exactly right, brother. That's exactly right. Every day brings new opportunities, man. Every single day brings new opportunities. There's no point in stressing, worrying about missing moves, any of that shit.
Nah.
Let's look at Thursday.
Fuck all about that.
I was just I had it going on TikTok live.
Just modding your other groups, mate.
Cut off. Nah, I was filming this one and got cut off as a scammer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I appealed it.
Oh, it's saying that you were scamming or a scammer jumped in.
Yeah. No, it said I was a scammer, so it ended our live.
Man.
Oh, that's fucked.
TikTok are the worst, bro.
Yeah, someone might have reported it maybe. I don't know. It happened pretty quick.
So you had this going live, did ya?
Yeah.
Man, it's ridiculous. Like I went live yesterday and they banned my account again just from literally just doing this. It's bullshit. They don't want people to escape the fucking matrix, mate.
Exactly right, bro.
They don't want people to escape the system.
Fucking dogs.
Yeah.
I'm writing a playbook for the system as well. So I'm writing it based on the forward testing, not on the back testing. So yeah, if it all goes to plan over the next, I'll probably give it at least a month.
Yeah.
And then I'll have something pretty cool to deliver to if it works.
Hey, Trekkie, I just got a question, bro. I just seen the win you put in. I might bring you on the call, man. You want to explain that one to us? I won't mute you, bro. Hang on. I'm just curious to know what's going on there. Hang on a second. Where are you? Yo, you there?
Who?
How's it going, brother?
Who, me?
Yes, you, bro. Yep.
Oh, shit, I wasn't paying attention. My bad, bro. What's up?
I've just seen the win that you've put in the win section.
Yeah.
What currency is that in?
USD. It's the CPI. It was the CPI, but
So you've made you're saying you made $145,000 just now?
not just now. That was a while. Well, not a while. When was CPI? Wasn't it back this morning?
What size account are you trading with, bro? Oh, is that just on a demo or is that a live account?
Nah, it's alive.
So
My brokers are not
what size account are you trading on?
a very big one.
Yeah, how big, bro?
Well, I can't really say.
Nah.
People will come for me if I say.
So you are you trade no worries. So are you trading for other people or other accounts?
Technically, I do. Yes.
Okay. Because just with a lot size of 100, bro, that's absolutely insane to be trading lot sizes that big. I mean, I would estimate that if you're trading with lot sizes of 100, that your account would have to be $10 million or more.
Not really. Call it around 5 to 7 minutes.
What percent are you trading? So what percent are you risking per trade?
Well, he told me to like don't risk more than 20%.
Per trade, 20% per trade.
Yeah, I'm catching 50 to 70% per trade. So no risk, no more risking than no
20
20% risk.
20% insane, bro. Yeah, that's crazy, man. That's a massive risk.
Yeah, I'm just following him.
Yeah, that's a huge risk, brother. That's a huge risk. Ideally, you should be risking 1% to 3% per trade. Especially even hedge fund managers and stuff, they wouldn't risk more than that, because the whole purpose of being a consistently profitable trader is risk management and money management.
That is true.
So yeah, look, I personally, bro, look, I've been trading for 10 years, man. I've done every single system there is, every single strategy. I've had a lot of mentors. And it's just a bit insane, bro, that anyone would say to you or tell you to trade and risk 20% of your account.
Yeah, I work for some really dangerous people.
Yeah, it sounds it, bro. they sound dangerous, brother.
I don't go. Oh, my bad. What?
No, I was just saying they sound it, bro, and I wouldn't like to be in a situation you're in by the sounds of things.
I mean, I get 30% of the profits, so I'm chilling.
Mm-hmm.
Although on my personal account, I don't use a lot size bigger than 10.
Look, if you don't mind me asking, brother, even like your experience was only 12 months. I mean, to me, that's still a beginner trader after 12 months. And I don't mean any disrespect at all, brother. Please don't take this the wrong way. I'm just going off my experience. And I've been in the industry a very long time. So just from my experience, like, 12 months, I would say you're still in the stages of building and learning and finding a system that works, and still in those building stages. So it seems to me a little bit crazy that someone would want to come in and fund you that much money to given your experience.
I've been profitable. Well, I'm not profitable. I've been consistent for the past 6 months.
Yeah.
So I guess they had a lot of faith in me at that time.
It's a big risk for you to take as well, bro. Put all that pressure on yourself,
Yeah,
man. After 6 months, I mean, 6 months isn't long.
that is true, but they told me only strictly trade news. So like yeah,
Only strictly trade what?
so
Sorry.
news, only strictly trade high impact news.
Yeah, but the thing is with high impact CPI news, which happens a lot, bro, because the charts move so quickly at that time, you get hit with massive slippage, right? And your stop losses don't always get respected. So trading news is an extremely risky game to play, because if you're, say for example, you've got your stop loss. I'll do a quick example on the screen for you, brother.
Right.
1 second. So for example, bro, and this is just, look, I'm sure you're aware of this anyway, but I'm just saying, if you're trading with big accounts, bro, you just got to, if you're not aware of this is something you really need to take into account. Okay. So what happens is, for example, let's just say this is your trade. Okay. I'll move it up so there's black. Let's just say this is your position, right? And you're expecting CPI to come in and news to come in, and you're expecting the chart to pump, right? You're expecting it to just go bang, bang,
Right.
like that. Okay. What happens?
Mm-hmm.
What happens when there's a lot of volatility into the market, especially around news events, where it happens nearly all the time around news events? And I'm sure you've seen this if you're only trading news events. Is when you just say that's your entry point, and you've gone, yep, this is where I'm entering the trade. Now we come in and we get hit. We get hit with slippage. Your trade might not actually enter to here, so you might be in the red all the way to there, right? And the reverse of that is, brother, to the reverse of that. And this is the one that really gets people. This is the one that can really destroy you and destroy your account. If it comes, the news event comes, and we push and we go up, and then the trade backfires and drops down, right? Like that. So you miss it. Now,
Right.
what happened? Hang on, let me do that again, brother. Hang on a sec. If it comes up, and then the trade comes down like that, okay? What happens?
Right.
What happens, brother? Honestly, probably 9 times out of 10, if it's moving that quick, you've got your stop loss set here, but it doesn't respect it, because your broker cannot close your stop loss quick enough because it's moved too quick. So your stop loss might get, so your stop loss will get stopped out here. So for example, if you're going off 20%, bro, right? For example,
Right.
if you're, just say you're risking to lose, say you're going to lose $200,000 or $100,000 or $50,000, whatever it's going to be. Honestly, dude, the chances of you losing that are extremely slim. You've got a more higher probability of losing around 150 to 200,000 if you're trading with an account that big, because if the markets are moving too fast, which they do during news events, if your broker can't close that order off quick enough, you're going to lose 60%. Instead of, if you're aiming to lose 20%, you'll earn 3, sometimes even 4 times more, 60 to 80% of what your account actually is. So if you are trading news events like that, brother, honestly, man,
Right.
just be very cautious of that stuff, which I'm sure you probably know because you are already doing it. That's just my opinion, brother. Just my opinion from my experience and the trading I've done.
That's cool. I do understand. I really do understand, since something like that happened to me this morning on my actual account.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it was the same CPI. I was trading Euro, USD, and it just slapped my TP and went up. I was pissed, but it's news. So
Yeah, so just really something to be wary of, bro. Like I actually tell everyone not to trade news events because of those reasons. And it even happens on our trading, bro. Even this. So even trading on the open of the New York market happens even worse. So if you're trading on the open, so 5 minutes before the session opens, your spreads are going to be bigger than what they usually are. So you're already taking a huge risk there. Plus, you get hit with slippage if the markets move too quick. And that's when you get destroyed, bro. That's when you'll completely wipe your account to zero. Because if you're constantly doing that, you're going to get stopped out more often than not. And when you do get stopped out, so just say for example you're going for a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1. what will happen is
Mm.
your 1-1-2 won't be that anymore because your stop loss is actually going to be at -3%, -3, instead of a -1. So you're actually losing more than what you're making in the long term.
Right. So, Max, can I say something?
Yeah,
Well,
for sure, brother, for
I
sure.
don't
Yeah.
think I'm allowed to say this. I don't think I'm allowed to say this really.
Yep.
But like, yeah, I guess I can. I can say a little bit.
Yeah, for
I'm
sure,
a
man.
part of an institution.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So,
No worries. So they've probably got their. So yeah, that's all cool. But so yeah, so
yeah.
without saying too much, I understand, man. So if you're part of an institution and they got their own fixed, I guess their own brokers and fix things and make sure that you can't get hit with slippage and all that sort of
Really
stuff.
lose that much.
Sweet as, man. Where do I join, bro?
Yeah. You gotta have a lot of connections, man.
100%.
I can see what I can do for you.
100%. You need that. Yeah, 100%. You need those, man. And look, it's all about
Like,
It's all about networking, brother.
mm.
It's all about networking. But what I might say, bro, just because a lot of the guys in this group are new and they're only trying to learn to trade. So what I might just say with these big wins, that I might just not allow these big wins to go into the group because it gives people false sense of, if they're only learning to, because it's not a real P&L. You know what I mean? Like not the way we trade and the style we do, and trading news events and stuff. It's too risky. It's very risky. So just with these big trades, bro, that you put in, I might take them out the group because I don't want people to get some false sense of they're going to be able to make 145 grand in 5 minutes, not understanding that. Not understanding that they need to have a $10 million account to achieve that, and they have to take massive risks and things like that. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So
I do get it. So
yeah,
I would, but I'm gonna delete it.
Yeah, no, all good, brother, all good. And look, I love seeing it. Man. I do. I love the passion, and I love that you're passionate. And obviously, you're doing something on a different scale to us. But yeah, I don't want to give like a false sense of achievement to guys that are just learning now and just trying to learn how to trade. Because if they come into it thinking that they're gonna make that sort of money on $100,000 funded account, they're gonna be fucking shocked when they find out that that's not actually how it works.
Yeah, it is crazy.
Yeah.
But wait, I wonder if I. Yeah, I mean, I guess I could show you this much. Hold on, I'm gonna send you something.
Yeah, sweet, brother. Yeah, cool.
Because like that one win is nothing. Hold on, I'm gonna show you.
Are you gonna shoot me a DM?
Yes, you're gonna be really surprised.
Yeah, sure. Shoot us a DM, bro. Shoot us a DM.
So wait, where is it? I should have a screenshot of it. So I'm gonna just take a screenshot here.
Yeah, take a screenshot. Shoot us a DM, bro. Have a look at it, and we can discuss it if you want to, man. Even look if.
Oh yeah.
Just out of curiosity too, dude. How'd you get onto our group? Just obviously through social media or something.
Yeah, I think it was on TikTok actually.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was on TikTok.
Oh, that's good, man. That's cool. That's good to hear. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. That's pretty insane, bro. I'll be honest. I'll be completely honest with you. In 10 years, I've never seen anything like that ever. That's insane.
And the fact that I am one of the smallest ones here.
Yeah. 6213634.
Yeah, it runs deep, man. Like it runs really, really deep.
Yeah, right. That's insane.
Yeah, it gets tossed around a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're doing like 12 positions at one time or something like that.
Let me. I think it was more than that actually.
Yeah. So just from so all those positions there are all put on at the same time. Are all hit instantly, huh?
Yeah, it's 14 positions.
So is that doing so you're either using EAs or you're doing buy and stop orders to be able to hit them all at once. Is that right? Is that how you're doing it?
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Okay. That's crazy, bro.
Wait, Metz, do you know about the dark pool?
I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna give you some info. So the dark pool. Well, yeah, I can say this.
Yeah. Yeah.
The
Shit,
dark
over, man.
pool, like $100 trillion get tossed around very easily.
You're at the dark pool.
That makes up like most of the funds, most of the hedge funds, the ETFs,
Yep.
all of them institutions, banks and all. Yeah, it runs deep, very, very deep.
Man, I'd love to see some info on that, bro. I'd love to see that. I'm always curious. I'm always.
Yeah,
I'm
I'll
al-
see if I can get some to like give you an edge because it helps a lot with actual trading.
Can I ask something then, dude? Just again, this is like, please don't be offended in anything I ask or say, man. Like literally, this is just I'm a very curious person. Like I'm very curious on things, and I like to know. Like I just like to understand things because it just for myself. Um, with these size accounts you're trading, bro, and the trading style you're doing, and I mean this like I don't mean this wrong. Why are you here, man? Why are you in our group? Because that's fucking insane, dude. Like if I was doing that, yeah, I'm just trying to understand that.
I mean,
Is it for your own personal?
meeting new people.
Oh
Meeting
yes.
new people.
Oh cool. Well, that's cool, bro. That's cool because it is.
Plus,
Yeah, go.
go ahead.
No, you go. Sorry, bro. I'll cut you off there. Go.
That's cool. I'm taking a few students as well, so like, yeah. But I would really like to see everyone make it out, but sadly that's not possible.
You'd like to see what? Sorry.
That is close to impossible.
What?
Since most traders literally just lose money constantly and they don't know what they're doing.
That is true. That is true. That does happen.
I watch this shit, bro, and it's crazy. That liquidity just takes everybody out.
So when you say looking for students, are you looking for students from other Discord groups, or are you trying to get the people who are running the groups?
Anyone that comes across me really and wants to learn, I can teach them.
Okay, so your main goal is then so you'd obviously be in a couple of different groups.
Yeah.
Have you got broker statements at all for these trades?
I can't disclose that.
That's all right. That's all right. Look, no worries, man. No worries at all.
Cool. Get back to the chart, guys.
Yeah, let's get back to chart. All right, Trekkie. I'm just gonna meet you, bro. We'll get back to the charts. All right, brother.
Yeah, do that.
Sorry.
Nah, all good, man.
That's cool. No, I ain't
Ages.
All good. I think we might leave it. It's 10:30 now. So what's happened? It's, you guys still there? Hustle, Sam. You guys are still there?
Yeah, Sydney, right?
Yeah.
All right, sweet as. So look at that. Lucky we done that because we've come down and respected this candle perfectly. So I'm really glad that we noticed that wick there and gone just below it because it's come in, respected it perfectly. Now retracing. Personally, I'm going to close it. I'm going to call it a no trade day for me. I'm happy with where everything's at for the week. We've had 3 wins, 1 loss so far this week. I'll call this as a no trade day, and then we'll come back Monday. Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
Sweet as, boys.
As well, mate.
Yeah, good, man.
Come back Monday morning, Tokyo Open, get ready to smash it. Caden and Theo, boys, if you can send me the info I need to fund your accounts, if you can do that to me sometime this weekend, I'll fund your accounts and get you guys up and running for Monday morning, and we'll fucking let's get it.
Fuck yeah, boys. Let's do it. Have a cracking weekend, everyone. Mikey and us will chat with you over the weekend anyway.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes.
I might I'm gonna hustle. I'm gonna give you a call now, and then Sam, if you're free, I might give you a call soon as well.
Yeah, man, no worries.
All right, boys.
Sounds good. All right, guys.
See ya, mate.
Catch you later.
Catch you, boys.